In Brooklyn are trying to adjust to fast-moving developments from City Hall.
This comes days after city workers dismantled an encampment under the BQE in Clinton Hill. CBS 2's Hannah Klieger talked with migrants about what they're up against.
This used to be a series of tents and sleeping arrangements under the busy overpass. Now it's back to being a parking lot. Few things remain, including blankets and shoes. Police came and discarded all of our belongings. They threw everything in the trash, says Daniel, an asylum seeker from Venezuela who was living here. His belongings were among those thrown out by the city's sanitation workers on Friday.
We are not going to have tents and encampments on our streets.
Mayor Adams says he ordered the cleanup and was among the outreach teams on site on Friday to provide people with an alternative place to stay.
I went there personally to speak with those men who were there, were able to get them back inside the shelter system.
Back out here a few days later, some of those asylum seekers are staying in the shelters, but some are still choosing to sleep outside near this park, which has benches and a bathroom. Danielle wanted to remain anonymous to protect his identity, but in Spanish, he told us of the conditions he and others faced in the shelter. There was only one bathroom for almost 140 people, and the staff was very rude. There were many problems there, he says. The mayor says the city has reached its capacity, despite an average of 300 to 500 migrants still arriving each day. Last week, his office said it will begin providing a 60-day notice to adult asylum seekers to find alternative housing to create space for arriving families with children. Theodore Moore from the New York Immigration Coalition says the policy will create more people with nowhere to go.
Is going to lead to more people sleeping on the streets, and then just days later start breaking up those very encampments that its policy is going to cause.
I told everyone last year, this migrant crisis is going to come to a neighborhood near you. That day has arrived.
A crisis, Adams says, desperately needs federal action. In Clinton Hill, Brooklyn, Hannah Klieger, CBS 2 News.